He proposed to me here in Lagos on Azia East. What they want without telling me. I just got through Facebook. Oya address my friend request for their card. Neza your number. Neza your second name. So I am.
Gini happy na ofono.
Muni ebiro no ofono. Muni ama since 2002 on no India. So muni ana akpoku marriage. As time goes on, after last year, mkoto sebi choro ebata. Not one day he called me on phone saying, baby, I'm coming back to Nigeria. I'm saying, okay, no problem. Or on Friday, or but Nigeria. Or on Saturday, he called me. In secret, that's now. Open no man or draw serious that I want to marry. Open or draw serious. Let him leave me alone. Natural was him there the serious. Okpom be na ke cousin ya na go. I went there meet a doctor how doctor receive him. Or me introduced to doctor with the cousin sister and neighbor with the other guy friend there and India wherever. A mecha letter or ring. Money akpacha money afuku again. But I did for the uncle. But I may meet your up or send uncle ya agabaga. Now also known na east. Business actually be do my bana hapuzi ya neruzia Abuja can pay the business. Corner village because on not there the parents died because according to him on road in
Amen so you never village.
Also wait now.
Because the village.
Also Koje village can be Abuja. Abuja Mataze before they be those any other process.
On Azia village.
So I was shocked to because on Thursday more sleepless nights. So make Facebook. Gaza through the one lady ad because it's 2 weeks ago. Never the picture and again. My spirit is add this girl, and add that girl. So now the girl comes for this traditional 6th of July next month. So Mpokwaya the process. So mommy, Mpokwaya the process. So that Thursday morning. Msia money kugide say baby no I love you so much. Yes. He said did you love me or some yes. You see okay. Insist because I told me get straightforward. Insist baby your sister na kwado traditional marriage on 6th of July. Osim no that I like morning sleep. I don't want you to disturb me. So no problem. Ojo am I going to market this early morning? Say no problem. Nko. So what I did is that I gather through the invitation card for the second number because my spirit I'm not the girl with the number. So I now called the girl. Everything. I say okay, no problem. That when I come back to market, now get the ring. The bank I don't need to snap other things for you. Now you take we have your deals on abroad dear but it can never work.
The ring be here.
Yes.
This is your own ring.
Yes.
This is the ring. Mbanaka ye jagodi unu. Unechani have marriage. Jesus. Can you hear me, men? If you are not willing to marry again, please stop telling them that you will marry them. To avoid letting curse on you. Only a man who work at a berekit of him and all girls here. Oh, you just want to break her heart. Obviously, no ring. Go to Chazianke village or happy in a village. Or Nathan Lagos. That's the plan of the man. Yani ebido kwe back so make it say tonton ko na chizie. It's a matter of fact, real men. They are confused. Or marry out on that. Don't be surprised. No can happen. That is a girl. So you snap the ring to the girl.
And snap all the ring. What the girl say because as far as I'm concerned in this life, that he will suffer. That he will suffer. He will run from here to here and he will not travel again. That God will hear my cry. Now, when Fuzan at the girl, where is Sabbath?
I don't know.
When at the girl, no, a Sabbatarian Kobu. Now, my parents will show up, which is true. Instead of my mother, even a mother there. So I was born in Shorobi.
So, Sabbath verses. pain. Akwifu pain. Onya adigo hot.
Mommy, I didn't hurt. Even my mother said I should forgive him. He said no, I will not. The reason why I will not is that I told him he did not give me even 1 naira. So I'm not owing him. He said that my conscience, God will judge him. And he will have sleepless night. What do you open up? I said it. I have not prayed, but I only cried to God. Now, the girl, I'm going to the girl, said to open doors because as far as I'm concerned, he said number one, I was born in Shorobi. And now my dad, as a Shorobi man before he died. He said, secondly, no, that I can go. And I'm a member of your job, and I'm in your job. He said, pay for marriage. No man walk. He said, make go this 1.6. It will not work. He can work the man with peace of mind at that marriage. And the Nanga on every day and night.
It's okay. It's okay. Please calm down. If I don't work out, how painful this thing now. On a more one you be. Oh, come money happen there no toto. Can you hear that? One man, if you know that you will not marry, allow them to go. So we walk out with the hatchero. Have fought a church. Have fought Georgie. You have number one. The hammer. How we can get a hand in a matter? Actually, the apple which I want also. So we walk need to go to deliverance before you walk marriage. Kakoruna akoko. Jesus
never fails.
What you doing, Kiga? Ndi Chorobi. Kankoro na akụkọ. Chorobi versus
Sabbath.
Check Kankoro na akọmerun. This thing happened. Okay, the minister na Soka. One sister, na one young man be away from. How we route? Okay, how route? A way with the Buba Muma. I said to them, Oga, now one young mamma target one. Has I go IVF 4 times, all of them fail. Where the man, Kedu one ye, near the Kogi and a Fargaro. It disappointed. Or we would not call that girl. The lady was like, after everything, they went home. Has the lodge in a hotel then, as of then. They now asked the woman now asked the husband, say the husband called her this story obere. Even work they can lie. Or call her the story obere. At least the day they will go idea. The head to Merenezo. The lady now pick that point. We try to contact that lady. How we want to contact the lady? We meet one reverend father. We call the reverend father the story. The reverend father say, "Akenebu no jere, eburu amoma. No so fonye gebu amoma na nsoka. No ye ga akụkọ imago. Ima no nya na mapata no nya obuna. Ga bo puto call the story. In the name of prophecy. Say no so sister nkem ba anu bemiti. Say no ga call gear ka ị ga-esi ghọta no no obulo just na dey course on you. Mba no ga call gear or say yes no na nke fada ukwu abaka haje. Say yes no na nke sister nkem ka haje. Father we kwete na ezoku we call the girl. The girl we say father. Na ya dey respect kwa maka na able father. Give your phone now. As far as ya dey concern that she will never forgive this man. Nyanwa manuti nyana ichie anya jebe no nyana ichie oburu everybody ka na emeje ana free oburu nwanyi niile ka na raping you can't rape everybody oburu nwanyi niile ka ị ga-atụrụ ime menya abandon oburu nwanyi niile ka ị ga-atụrụ ime wepụ ime obu n'afọ grace onye ọbụla dị n'iche o nwere onye ga-abụ okwu n'isi gị ịtagbu onwe gị n'afọfọ Iba na imanu mmadụ happy agwani okwu marriage so that echi niile ka aka gị dịrị ọcha na negodu pain nwa anọ ya. Now imagine this thing that happens since Thursday till now. O nwere ike imie ọma ndị ma ndị ọma lakụ ma ụla nya ị nọrọ ndụ na-afọ ọnwụ gị mana ọ bụrụ ị ga-ekwe m sị gị forgive them ka mmadụ si gị forgive ha ka Chukwu nye gị di ọzọ since ahụ ị kpọrọ the girl ọzago gị the man akpọgo gị since ahụ ị kpọchara that girl
o mechara yes ọ kpọrọ m yesterday because after ka a kpọchara ya ọ bịbasị na ring o nyere m no gift ka o nyere m wee sị okay inye m ring gift number one ị mere m introduce to Indian man white man ya na-eme business as your wife. You made me introduce to first son as your wife. You made me introduce to your cousin sister me in the house. Also welcome to Oka, Barumafa village. Meta had John, what do I want? Say I don't want anything. Dr. West know that he's the father of the house. Dog I offer him something. Metal jewel with them out. Nature is okay.
Oh, go Sadi. Okachu munna na kwadi hojo na ku munne ha. Nwanne gị ga-edunete nwaanyị nke izizi our wife odunete nke ibo our wife odunete nke ito our wife unu na-akwado arụ na support evil. Everybody that comes to your father's house is now your brother's wife. You will pamper that person. You will not stand in truth. Ka ise bụ nwanne gị maka echi. It's happening in our family. Onwe nwanne nwoke mewere nduru ihe ahụ odeto onye odeto decide there on my own to save my brother to be in a safer side. Mgbe onye nke ọzọ si ọ sị gị na ọ ga-anụ gị ọsị m nsị na ọ ma nnukwa gị ọsị m kedu ihe mmiri nsị bikọs na odutebugo onye nke ọzọ si na ọ ga-anụ ya na ọnụhie njekwa onye nke ọzọ si ọ sị na ọ ga-anụ ọsị nsị na ọ ma nnukwa gị na ọ bụkwa sọ gị ka o dute na odutegokwa nke ọzọ si na ọ ga-anụ ya na ọnụhie odutekwa onye nke ọzọ next week si ya ọ sị na ọ ga-anụ ọsị m nsị na ọ ma nnukwa gị mụ nwa gọzie onye na-ekwu mụ na my brother na-eso okwu unu ama nghọta mgbe aka m dị small mana mụ na my brother anyị na-eso okwu ihe anyị na-esoro okwu maka na m na-ekwupụrụ ya ọma na onye maka nna azọ ndụ ọ disappoint is there one of them si ya ga-ewere afịa ga tinye na arụsị that she will kill my brother nkwado chọrọ ya jee nsị na anụ m n'isi that you will kill my brother asị na nwere bịa nne amụbeghị nsị they no born you well nsị because a gwara gị ya ka ị gasị na m agwara gị nsị na ọgwụ ga ama mmenwuye because na iji go for say I called you one on one say that he will not marry you gị chọọ iru ebe ị chọrọ azọ he continue si na m na-akọgịrị akọgị ka ị na-esi nsi okwu omego gị n'anya na ọ bụ ga ama work nata ọpịf my brother ọ ga-anụ nwaanyị mụọ nwa bie n'ụlọ mana as far as asịkwa ọchị ịnụ gị ya na ọgụ mana ọ bụrụ ndụrụ nke ọ na-edute unu na ọ da work ife ma nke ọ na-anụ taa agwakwa m ya nke ọ na-anụ taa o mechezukwe ọnụ azụkwa ya ọ dabakwara ha mana is not my problem mana agbakwa m onye nke agwakwu ya ịghọtago finally ọ dabakwara ha anụmanụ onwe ha mana agwakwuru m ya even nke a ka na-echetie almost ka ọ bịa si my brother me nka nse na-ejikwe mkpegbu ikpe maka agwakwa gị n'izizi na-ekwedu mmadụ ọ bụ na ịma nụ nkwe isi m na ị ga-anụ nwunye na as far as it concern nse anụ ya tụpụrụ Chineke kwupụrụ Chukwu na oduje dị nwanne nwoke because na obodo oyibo nata na o nwere ego all of them are be calling her our wife look at her now she's in pain where is the family can you forgive him
me I want to marry I told him
you want to
the only reason I will leave him no I told him she said want to marry but she's right
she want now ọ bụrụ na marriage ahụ end ya ọ na-atịta azụ ịbịa n'oge ị ga-ekwe ka ọ nụwa gị
yes ọ bịakwa ya nnukwu
trouble day you see what to do after program see me
okay ma'am
see me after program oh sit down so ekpere ka ịgbakwa nghasa ekpere ka ịgbakwa nghasa okay mama walk mama ebero
man walk do not walk.
Some people are wicked. I'm telling you the truth. Some people are wicked. Look at the condition this young man don't put this girl now in a good condition. This young man do with this girl under I go marry her. This girl will no long many years. Now I check this man or general under one. In fact, some people are wicked, yo. Some people are very wicked. Always mean that this girl will eat. Imagine here better young boy. If you met a young boy, that will be for a mess. Will be do. That's like a melania better.